Greetings, I'm Justina. Currently in Hong Kong, the mainstream security scanning equipment at the airport are the products from the 70s and 80s, mainly consisting of walk-through metal detectors as well as CT scanners. However, they can only scan weapons with high metallic densities. For weapons which are disassembled or may be self-made, sophisticated operators are needed. To tackle these limitations, I'll introduce you to the Anti-terrorism System, which makes use of object detection. To further enhance the security system in Hong Kong, not only will the system be placed at airports, but also at government institutions, company headquarters, as well as during festive events. The Monte Carlo simulation is used to calculate the accuracy regarding resolution, light intensity, and distance in my project, reaching up to 90% of accuracy with just 2 years of data. Now, moving on to the prototype. Here are the materials needed, all costing less than 200 Hong Kong dollars. For the hardware part, connect camera OV7670 to the Arduino Uno on the breadboard, the LED light and buzzer on the other. Make sure the jumper wires and the USB cable wires are tightly connected to the computer. Upon connecting, place 2 scissors on the chair. Adjust the camera angle and light intensity for better resolution and higher accuracy. The image obtained will be shown on the computer. Then, scroll down to the codes and wait for a few seconds. Remember to convert the codes into an Arduino program from whatever software you're using for a better flow. The accuracy percentage and the number of scissors will be displayed. After object identification, the LED light will light up and the buzzer will emit an alarming sound. Revolving around SDG 11 and 16, the Anti-terrorism System aims to sustain Hong Kong's security. Thank you to Hong Kong Innovation Foundation for offering me such a precious opportunity to indulge in the joy of STEM. Inspire, innovate, and integrate.